Nice and forward, no problem. Nothing. So today we're going to show you how to fix that. Stick around. Alright, so we got the switch out of the cart now. The switch is still in the housing. The next thing we're going to do is take the switch out of the housing. I'm just going to push those tabs in. Those tabs is what holds the switch into the housing. We're just going to push those in and push the switch right out. So now we'll set the housing aside. We got the switch right here. The switch is a two-piece switch, so we can take it apart. Basically just gingerly get the tabs open, and you see this half of the switch wants to fall. We'll go ahead and get the other one. Now you want to do this over a rag because there are parts, small parts inside. So as we take it apart, we'll set that part aside, and right in there, we're going to get this part out. This part has a little contacts and they get gunk and corrosion built up. So what we're going to do is, we're just going to take some emery paper and we're going to scuff that contact there. So now the contact looks good. We're also going to take our lower piece of the switch here and we're just going to scrape these contacts. Make sure they're good too. Make sure there's no corrosion on them. And scrape that corrosion right off there. There we go. Now we'll put our paddle back in. Alright, and then you see how the rocker part of the switch is only on one side, so we'll need to make sure we put that side back and push it all together. Now that should be a properly functioning switch. Okay, so now we got the switch back in the cart. What we're going to want to do now is go ahead and verify our work. So I got her in forward. She works. And there's reverse. So we've done our job properly. Alright folks, well that concludes this video about the switch. I just want to send a real shout out real quick to one of our newest fans. He's been watching for quite some time. He likes watching all of our videos. It's Tyler, and he's watching out of Westerly, Rhode Island. Tyler, thanks for watching our videos, buddy, and stay tuned for more. And so can you by calling 833-CartsMD.